Yeah. This Monday, come learn how to cook in small spaces in 241A of Kramer Dining Center. At 4:30 p.m., you'll try new recipes, taste new foods, and of course, no stoves are required. Oh, excuse me. So how are you doing today? Oh my God, Andres. Hey, listen, it's not your fault that you're going through this, and you won't go through it alone, you understand? Cool. Suicide is an important thing to talk about, and we're gonna get through this. Okay, so Tuesday, 4 p.m., me and you are going to head over to 13 of Leasure Hall to attend the cat chat below the surface, all about suicide. Sound like a deal? Perfect. Hold on, it's gonna be better. We're gonna get through this together, okay? This Saturday at 9 a.m., get ready to celebrate K-State Open House with friends and family. Let's go, guys! How are you today, Lily? But first, let's take a selfie. This year Open House, UPC is hosting their first ever selfie gallery. You can even get your photos printed for free using hashtag #CaptureUPC, K-State UPC, and Open House 2018. Continuing the Open House festivities, UPC is hosting a picnic on the Plaza. There'll be free food, balloons, a caricature artist, and even a performance by NBC's The Voice, Eric Lynn Copeland. Oh my God, I love it.